In this video, we listed the 5 best magnetic exercise bike that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XTERRA Fitness Exercise Bike. The XTERRA Fitness Folding Exercise Bike, with a 225-pound weight capacity, is designed for indoor use and offers a space-efficient, foldable X-frame design that minimizes storage footprint when not in use. It features a large anatomically designed seat and multi-position padded handlebars for comfort during workouts. The bike includes a 2-inch by 1-inch LCD window that displays essential metrics such as speed, distance, time, calories burned, and pulse rate. Users can adjust the intensity with ease using the manual dial, which offers 8 levels of magnetic resistance. Made from alloy steel and powered by batteries, this bike is notable for its sturdy build and user-friendly features, making it a popular choice among exercise bikes on Amazon. Number 2. Marcy Magnetic Recumbent Bike. The Marcy Magnetic Recumbent Bike NS 716R is a versatile exercise machine designed for indoor use, featuring adjustable resistance and transport wheels for easy mobility. It measures 31 inches in depth, 11 inches in width, and 22 inches in height, with a weight of 41 pounds and a maximum user weight recommendation of 300 pounds. This bike includes soft foam-covered handlebars for comfort, a digital LCD panel to track speed, distance, time, and calories burned, and an 8-preset tension knob for varying workout intensities. Constructed from alloy steel and powered by batteries, it offers a smooth pedal experience and is ideal for users seeking customizable workout options combined with ease of use and transportability within their home environment. Number 3. Sunny Exercise Cycle Bike. The Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Underdesk Mini Exercise Cycle Bike, SF B020026, offers a convenient and versatile solution for staying active throughout the day. Designed for ease of use, it provides a low-impact workout ideal for office settings, adults, and seniors. With adjustable magnetic resistance, users can customize their workout intensity effortlessly. Its compact, portable design features a digital monitor for tracking progress in real time, displaying metrics like speed, time, distance, and calories burned. The bike operates quietly, making it suitable for shared spaces, and is easy to move and store, thanks to its lightweight construction and built-in handle. Backed by Sunny Health and Fitness reputation for quality, it comes pre-assembled for immediate use and includes a 1-year warranty, ensuring durability and peace of mind for users. Number 4. Pooboo Folding Exercise Bike. The Pooboo Folding Exercise Bike offers a versatile solution for home workouts, blending functionality with convenience. Designed for both high-intensity upright cycling and comfortable semi-recumbent positions, it caters to varied fitness preferences. The bike features 8-level adjustable magnetic resistance, ensuring a smooth and quiet workout experience suitable for different fitness levels. Its sturdy alloy steel construction supports up to 300 pounds and accommodates heights from 4 feet 11 inches to 6 feet 3 inches, emphasizing stability and safety during use. Compact and foldable, it is ideal for small spaces and includes transport wheels for easy maneuverability. Additional features like an integrated bottle holder and arm resistance bands enhance its utility, making it a comprehensive choice for effective home gym sessions. Pooboo provides a 1-year warranty and responsive customer service, promising support for any inquiries or issues encountered. Number 5. JOROTO X2PRO Exercise Bike. The JOROTO X2PRO Bluetooth Exercise Bike is a robust stationary indoor cycling bike designed to cater to a wide range of users, from beginners to enthusiasts. Boasting 100 levels of magnetic resistance and a belt drive system, it offers a smooth and quiet workout experience. The bike features a 12.6-inch tablet bracket for convenient entertainment and digital monitoring capabilities that display essential metrics such as time, speed, distance, calories, as well as load, watt, and RPM with Bluetooth connectivity for app integration. Safety enhancements include a unique urgent stop system with 5 stronger magnets and additional brake pads. Built on a sturdy AV-type frame with a 35-pound flywheel and adjustable components, the bike accommodates users up to 300 pounds and offers stability through adjustable stabilizer knobs. It comes with a 30-day extended Kinemap subscription and is backed by JOROTO's commitment to customer satisfaction with a 1-year warranty on parts.